Your Lordship, Honorable Justice Mr. Gopinath Menon, Mrs. Priya Gopinath, Chairman Mr. P. Jacob, distinguished invitees, proud parents, prize winners, and my fellow gypsites. Namaskaram. It is always a joy to stand before this gathering of young achievers and soak in the excitement that fills this auditorium on Prize Day. Today, we celebrate not only the awards that will be presented, but also the dedication, discipline, and perseverance that made them possible. Congratulations, dear prize winners. You have every reason to be proud of what you've achieved. At the same time, may I set the ceremony in perspective for those who may not be receiving an award today. Please know that a prize recognizes a moment in time. It does not define your potential or your worth. Life is a long journey, and many of its quiet achievements are built quietly through persistence, effort, and the courage to keep going. Our theme this evening, as has been explained several times, is both simple and profound. Ikigai, the power of purpose. This Japanese concept means a reason for being. It is this sense of purpose that gives direction to our lives and inspires us to move forward, especially when the path is not easy. We see the power of purpose in the lives of many successful people. Consider Kunal Shah. Recently, he was in the headlines for something all of us use every day. Kunal Shah rose to become the global head of WhatsApp. He became the global head from his humble beginnings as a delivery boy. But he remained curious, continued to learn, and pursued his goals with determination. Step by step, opportunity by opportunity, he transformed his aspirations into achievement. Or take the example of our young cricket sensation, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. His success is not merely the result of talent. It is the result and outcome of focused effort, sacrifices, and an unwavering commitment to her dream. His story reminds us that age is no barrier when purpose is clear and determination strong. I want to share two more Japanese words with you, which I hope will take you through life. Ikigai, you already know. Another beautiful Japanese word, which you must know in connection with this Ikigai, is wabi-sabi. Wabi-sabi teaches us to appreciate imperfection and authenticity. In a world that constantly encourages comparison, wabi-sabi teaches us that each one of us is unique. We do not have to fit into someone else's definition of success. Our individual strengths, interests, experiences, and even our imperfections are what makes us who we really are. The goal is never perfection. It is growth. And when life presents setbacks, as it inevitably will, please draw inspiration from yet another Japanese tradition, kintsugi. Kintsugi is the art of repairing broken pottery with gold. Rather than hiding the cracks, they are highlighted, transforming the object into something more beautiful than before. The lesson is a powerful one. Difficulties, disappointments, and failures need not diminish us. If we learn from them, they can become the very experiences that strengthen and shape our character. So, dear students, even as we celebrate achievement today, I hope you will remember these three simple lessons. Find your ikigai, your purpose. Embrace wabi-sabi, your uniqueness. Practice kintsugi. Transform challenges into opportunities for growth. If you do this, success will be measured by far more than trophies or certificates or accolades. It will be reflected in the character you build, the values you uphold, and the lives you touch, and the difference that you make in the world. The future belongs not only to those who are talented, but to those who have purpose, resilience, and the courage to keep growing. Dear parents, thank you for your unwavering support and encouragement. And teachers, thank you for inspiring, guiding, and believing in our students every day. To our prize winners, congratulations once again. May this achievement inspire you to aim even higher while remaining humble enough to keep learning. Thank you, and God bless you all.